Welcome, I am Navanshu and I am going to be talking about CSS margin. Firstly, what is the CSS margin? CSS margin are properties used to create space around elements outside of any defined borders. Now let's take a look at the margin properties. The first margin property is the margin top property where we use to specify the top margin. Then comes the margin right property where we specify the right margin value. Then the margin bottom value where we specify the bottom margin value, and then margin left where we specify the left margin value. And now let's see the margin property value. The first property value is auto where the browser completes the margin, and then comes length which specifies a margin in pixel, part or centimeter, so on, and percentage which specifies a margin in percentage of the width of the containing element, and inherit which specifies that the margin should be inherited from the parent element. Now let's take a look at the margin shorthand property. Usually we would write the margin properties like this, but in order for convenience we can write it in one single line where we can specify all four values in the sequence top, right, bottom and left. We can also write the values in three values where we can specify the top, the right and left in one value and then bottom, and then we can also specify it in two values where we can specify the top and bottom values in one value and then right and left value in one margin value. We can also specify it in one value where we can specify all four margins in one margin value. We can also set the margin property to auto to horizontally center the element within this container. We can also use the inherit value so that the margin value can be obtained from its parent's margin value. That's it for today. Thank you for listening and watching.